Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add a navigation bar in Google Sites. You know, the updated 2026 way. If your site looks a little empty at the top or you just want cleaner page links, this will fix it right up. So, let's jump in. All right, first thing, open Google Sites and choose the site you want to edit. If you haven't started one yet, just click blank to create a new site. Pretty simple. So once you're inside the editor, look over to the right side where the settings panel usually sits. There's a small gear icon for site-wide settings. Yeah, that one. Go ahead and click it. When the settings panel opens, you'll see a section labeled Navigation. Google Sites gives you two main styles, top and side. If you want that classic website menu across the top, choose top. If you prefer everything stacked along the left, choose side. Either way works, and you can switch anytime, so no need to stress. Next, we need pages for the navigation bar to actually show. Look at the left panel, click the Pages tab, and hit the plus button to add a new page. Name it whatever you want, like About, Contact, Services, anything. Each time you add a page, Google Sites automatically drops it into your navigation bar. If you want to rearrange your menu, just drag pages up or down in that list. And if you want a drop-down menu, like a parent page with child pages, drag one page slightly to the right under another. Google Sites will, instantly build a neat drop-down for you. And that's pretty much it. Your navigation bar is now set up, organized, and ready for visitors. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe for more quick Google Tools walkthroughs. And yeah, thanks for watching.